Starting with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders backing down. Imagine that crown up towards the sky, chin parallel. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Bring the arms down, turn the palms up. Inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, hands to the chest. So inhale, bring the arms up, hands together. Exhale, hands down to the chest. So inhale, looking up to the hands. Exhale, follow the hands down. Now inhale and exhale. One more. Inhale and exhale down. And have the arms in front of the body. Bring them up and around. Swap the arms over and come up and around. So just in your own time, just relax the breathing. Just nice, easy movements. Warming up the shoulders and the back. And bring the feet together, hands together to the chest, and inhale, lengthen up. Exhale gently to the side. Come back to the middle. Inhale, exhale to the other side. And back to center. So again, inhale, exhale. Now pushing the hips in the opposite direction if it feels okay for you. Inhale, exhale. And come back. So one more each side. Inhale, exhale over. Back to the center on inhale and exhale. Go back to the middle, bringing the arms down. Now take the feet nice and wide. Have the arms out shoulder level. I'm just going to twist at the waist. So inhale, exhale, twist. Try and keep those arms up shoulder level. Inhale back, exhale the other way. So inhale to the middle, exhale, twist. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Inhale and exhale. Inhale back. So hands to the hips. We're going to do a forward bend. So just halfway. So make sure the thighs are engaged and just bring the body parallel to the ground if you can. And coming back up. So inhale first and exhale. Coming forwards, trying to keep the back straight, head and neck relaxed. And come back up. So one more inhale and exhale. And come back to standing. So we're going to add a little back bend. So place the palms of the hands into the lower back. Squeeze the elbows together. So inhale. Then exhale, look up to the sky. So pushing into that lower back. Inhale, then exhale, come forwards to that flat back. You come back to the middle. So again, inhale, exhale, looking up. Inhale there, exhale, forwards. You come back. Now one more, inhale, exhale, look up. Inhale, exhale, come forwards. Now we can either stay there or if you want to, slide the hands down the legs towards the feet or wherever you get to. And bend the knees and roll on back up. So standing pose, we're going to do warrior two. So turn in the left foot 90 degrees and have the line between the heel and the back arch, shoulders above the hips. So make sure that knees tracking in line with the toes, arms shoulder level. Now just turn and look along the front arm and breathe. Bring the arms down, swap the feet around. So the right foot is 90 degrees, the back foot slightly angled. Shoulders above the hips. Front knee tracking in the same direction as the toes. Now turn the head to look along that front arm. And we'll do one more each side. So turn that left foot 90, back foot angle. So just set yourself up. When you're ready, bring the arms to shoulder level and then turn the head. Try and lengthen out the breathing. Squeeze the arm muscles. Bring the arms down and swap to the other side. So the last one, bring the arms up. And we look along the front arm. Just relax into the pose. And bring the arms down. We're going to work on eagle pose, so we'll just do the arms first. So let's take the left arm across the body, right on top. So turn the forearms up and then try and bring the palms together, or wherever you get to. We'll just hold in there. Now if you want a deeper stretch, you can lift the elbows. Now release the hands. I'll do the other side. So right arm first, left on top. Forearms up, palms together. And just check how that feels. And then, if you want to, we just raise the elbows and get a deeper stretch across the top of the back. We bring the arms down. We're going to come onto the legs. So weight on the right leg, and bring that left leg high, cross, and try and tuck the toes around the back of the calf. Now the first arm, same as the top leg. So left arm, then right on top. Arms together. And just try and balance there if we can. Squeezing the legs together. Gazing through the hands. And we'll swap to the other side. So weight on the left, bring the right one high and across. Tucking the toes round. And then that right arm, left on top. Bring the forearms up, palms together. Gazing through the hands. And bring the arms down, uncross the legs. So we'll finish with a good posture and the breathing. We take the shoulders back and down, crown up towards the sky, placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs, breathing in and out through the nose. And just see if you can feel the heartbeat with the upper hand. So if you feel comfortable, just close the eyes just for a few breaths. Just relax the body. Open the eyes, bring the arms down, and we're all done.